grep Alaska states. Let's tighten up our pattern matching with the W option. So we'll do the same search and we'll just add the W option. It looks like it got rid of the Alaska tan match. What is this W option? How does it work? When can it be helpful? What are some gotchas to watch out for? I'll fill you in on these details, and by the end of this video, you'll have confidence that you can really zero in on any pattern you are looking for. I'm John. I've spent 15 years in cyber, both in the military and in the private sector with FANG-level organizations. Because of this, I've worked alongside the most brilliant minds in our industry, and I've seen how they operate, how they generate solutions, and how they troubleshoot problems. And I want to pass a piece of that rare experience on to you as we discuss the ins and outs of the -W option for grep. Let's jump in. The -W option for grep will only match a pattern if it's a standalone word. But what does the term standalone word actually mean? It means that the pattern cannot be connected to a letter, number, or underscore on either its front or back side. I'll show you that in a second. The mnemonic or memory trick that I use to remember what the -W does is the word, well, word, in the phrase standalone word. That being said, use whatever memory trick works for you. We'll go back to the shell and I'll show you what I mean. Grep cat file 1. See how every instance of the pattern cat is matched, even if it has letters and numbers connected on one side or the other, even this underscore. But if we run this search again and we add the -W option, only the standalone pattern cat is matched because this has letters on the back side, this one has numbers on the front side, and this one has an underscore on the back side. Now how about a practical use of this? Let's say I want to see what port the SMTP protocol uses by referencing the etc services file. So we'll say grep SMTP etc services. Okay, that's great. I see the match here, but I also see a little bit extra here that I don't need to see. And it looks like there's a letter here on the front side and a letter here on the back side. Let's tighten up our filters and get rid of this cluttered output that contains unneeded matches. We'll say grep again, and we'll add the -W again. There, much cleaner. Notice how it filtered out the SSMTP and the SMTPS. Now, one thing to watch out for with the -W option is case sensitivity still matters. If we go, let's see, where's the one I'm looking for? Here it is. We'll do file 2. So it matched the pattern cat because we used the W option. It matched the pattern cat, but not cat32. Okay, that's great. Now, what if we use the case insensitive option, the -I, which is covered in Grep Bootcamp 6. Okay, now it matches cat with an uppercase C as well. The -W option can really tighten down your grep pattern filtering to only see what you want to see. It can really help in the elimination of false positives or something that triggers a match but it's not actually what you're looking for. That's it for -W. If there's a Linux topic you'd like broken down simply, clearly, and thoroughly, drop it in the comments. That's how I decide what to focus on next. And remember to go easy on yourself. Becoming the best doesn't happen overnight. All learning takes time. You'll get there as long as you keep pushing. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.